I'm finally on the vlog.
Narrate it, Chin.
Alright,
At least introduce yourself.
Okay,
It's the
hello.
first time you're actually legit in it.
Hello, I'm
My name is...
I don't have a name. You guys don't really, you can't really call me much. Like, there's a lot of things to call me, but you guys can't call me any of those, so.
Except Chin.
Except-
Okay. Call him Drew.
Yeah, what he said.
You guys gotta earn.
We driving, we going to the Cars game, let's go Cars, baby! 6.
Chin, how high do you think that plane is up there?
Where's the plane at, man?
I'm finally on the vlog.
Shout out to your Neon Keys, bro.
Hey, shout out to New York boys. Hey, let them know, give them a shout out, boy, they watch the channel.
Give him the love. Hey, Rushak.
And Sahil.
And Sahil. Thank you, guys.
Hooked you up.
We were so close.
I know. You can't fall asleep right here.
Shit, what happened? Shit, what happened?
They were showing them the hey, beer man,
Where's my ticket, bro?
cold beer
in the air and kicked it, and he fell like,
hey, ice cold beer.
and I said, and he got up.
Beer man, cold beer all night.
The man won't get up for a
Oh
week.
my god, shit. Okay, it was still there. You can still see it.
No, it's gone, dude.
No, you can still kind of see it.
It's gone.
Oh god.
Cold water.
How do you feel about that game, Chin?
Disappointing, but
Poor
we had
performance.
fun. We had fun. That's all.
Poor, horrible performance.
Very
seeds, good people.
Good. You gotta make some moves.
Chin was mad.
Chin was very
This is very animated. Maybe the bird took a dump on it.
I got it on camera, don't worry. What do you mean?
He bumping, bro.
Cut this horse, Chin.
They should bite fingers. They bite fingers. Nah, you don't want to mess with that.
They gonna bite it off.
No, they should bite your fingers like that.
I should have heard. You better run that horse over or something. You don't fuck with it no more. Just give it like one little tap, it'll start running. Hell nah, poor thing, bro. Look at him go.
In a quarter mile.
Yeah, she's trying to merge. Free my horse.
Oh.
You gonna have to turn left.
Yeah.
Chin, don't let him in, bro. Ride this dude's bumper, bro. Yo, what did Amit say? This ain't your mama's house. This ain't your mama's house. I'm gonna remember you.
6 to 10.
Alright, I'll come through.
Wait, what? What's 6 to 10?
His shift at basketball.
Oh, basket. I think you said basketball. I was like, what?
Yeah, they'll open until 10 on Sunday.
Yeah, we open this time every day.
Drone racing? Where?
Bro, oh my god, tell them about that. That's the thing, bro. They straight like, no, don't whip that.
We watched that today. It was actually cool.
It was on TV.
ESPN, dude. That was on ESPN.
ESPN drone races?
Yeah,
Was it?
Dude,
Wow.
these guys
Look
were
it up.
popping off.
They're going like 80 to like
through
80
obstacle
miles an
courses and stuff.
Oh man, that's sick.
Like,
They're like
They set it
bumping
up
each
in like a
other.
stadium, and like they were like going through like the
Loops and
goalposts and
stuff.
all, and like
That's pretty
through
sick.
like the hallways and stuff.
Dude, it's legit.
Do they like follow the drone? Like they're running after the drone?
No,
or they're just
they
like
wear these
shooting
goggles, dude. They wear these goggles that show like what the camera's showing on the drone.
Because I mean, it's going 80 miles an hour. So.
That's pretty sick.
And like even the cameras can't keep up. Like
We barely lifted our drone off the ground.
I was doing good with it though.
I know, man. I mean, it's hard, and then after you get the hang of it, it's fine. I still don't know how to use it.
I'm going fast.
Chin just like over here looking. Chin, you want to say just something to someone?
What?
I said you want to say something to someone?
Let me think.
Throw your digits out there, Chin.
Oh, for the ladies.
Shout out to Jason Tatum. Getting drafted third by Celtics. Shout out.
You think he's
They don't watch this video, bro.
He has to like throw his.
They don't watch this video.
Who?
Nah, he's gonna throw the first pitch.
Jason.
To St. Louis.
I don't care, but shout out to Jason Tatum. Let people know what's up, bro. St. Louis,
He makes
draft
it
third in the
big,
NBA, bro.
Hey guys, we talking about Chin's plan? About walking on?
About what?
About walking on?
Go playing, bro.
Walking onto the card?
No, not the Cardinals.
They should. They need me right now. I bet you I could hit up at least 290. Put me fourth in the order.
No way, bro. Have you ever hit a pitch going like 90?
I strike out.
Yeah, you're right. We all would.
Yeah, you.
Nah, but
Even if I had a
put me out, I feel like I could catch a couple.
Yeah, if I just
I'd be
made
proud
like
if-
slight contact.
I'd be proud of
But
Yeah, if I
You
make
know their bat speeds are insane.
yeah, dude, you gotta be pretty jacked.
Not for real. Baseball, you don't have to be jacked. That's the
Well,
one.
not
That's
jacked,
like.
but you gotta be like in shape, dude. Like,
I mean, that's debatable. Shape, dude. That's like one sport that you don't really have to be in shape to be good.
yeah, you see that?
no, you still
You
gotta
see
be
that
in
Poesque
shape, though.
pitcher?
Yeah. Last lane.
Yeah.
CC
He
Sabat.
think. CC think too.
I'd still consider him like in shape though.
If Oval is a shape, then yeah, he's in shape.
Oval is a shape.
All right, then he's in shape. Exactly. That's what.
Hey guys, we lost, but who cares?
Still going on. Dude. Chill,
Fun
bro.
game.
Chill,
Fun
bro.
game.
Yeah, fun game.
Alright guys, catch you guys next time. Life's just throwing lemons at us and we're gonna
Keep making
keep making lemonade. Catch you guys next time.
Bye, guys.